we shall protect us from all fools. But if the price is death for all we hold in, then let us die without a shred of fear. Help to be from consecrated nation, oh Fatherland, this be our solemn pledge. Defending thee shall be our dedication. Spilling our blood will count our privilege. The wave is torn, that which emboldens the free shall always be a flood of liberty. Help to be from consecrated nation, oh Fatherland, this be our solemn pledge. Defending thee shall be our dedication. Spilling our blood will count our privilege. The wave is on, that which emboldens the free shall always be a flood of liberty.
Oh, nana, land of the rising sun, John Lovine, my originality. Land of the rising sun, Biafra, land of the rising sun, Biafra, my home, my fatherland. Biafra, land of the rising sun. Biafra, my home, my fatherland. We are children of the Most High, called by the name of God, the Creator. Wise men from the east, south, and the middle, great Biafran people. We're taking it to idol worshiping, and we lost the face of our God. And as we wallowed in idol worshiping, the British entered in, trading on the Niger, exploiting Jah people, trading by barter. You give me palm oil and take soup, so them entered in. I brought in civilization, brought in Jah religion, and told us about America, and we embraced them. I never knew them got ulterior motive. With religious splitted us amongst our brethren, with denomination tear us apart, building church. We have to pay this much to be your slave. So much against them. We fought so hard against them system. At the very spot we left out where we got. Now is the time to be restored. I want freedom. From Father Isaac, Frederick, get out of here, including Jah people, them Yorubas and them everyone. Other people, Nigeria, Nigeria, people with different religion. In the plant of confusion, describe it as oil and the water. Planted the cabals, them representatives. Here in Nigeria, Biafra be restored. Freedom of Biafra, land of the Biafra, my fatherland, fatherland, land of the land of the rising sun. Yes, there was a country.
Yes, once again, good morning, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscious people. I would say good morning good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uche Okafo-Mefo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State, and Anambra will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. Mazi Uche Okafo-Mefo is standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader, Mazen Nandi Okukano. He is from Afari Beku. Afari Beku is in Omuahia. Omuahia is in Abia State, and Abia State is Biafra land. He's the only man who has stood up to speak for the collective interest of the Biafran people for over 6 decades now. By the special grace of Chukwuka Kabiama, I remain George Onyibe. I am from Abo. Without wasting much of our time, the Lord always bringeth our enemy at our mercy in the end. For he is the lifting up of our head, he is our hope, and our help comes from he who made the heavens and the earth. For he shall keep us from all evil. He never sleep, neither will he slumber. He who made our life. Nihina Imaramai Odiunye Dekagi Anini Nasina Imao why you can Ruga is land of begin but the bank but will it ever end? That's one question. We were a people before they came. And somebody came and say it is better that we live together. And though maybe some part of black people are still enjoying from the colonial mentality and the adoption of slave masters for the moment, but the all for it. The Hausa will pay for it. The Fulani for it. Yoruba pay for it. But must we pay for it? Except I wonder, will all this intimidation ever end? Will all this? This is one question every one of us must begin to look for. They brought war to our land before now. They went away with it. Even after the war ended in 1970, it's a lie. In 1970, the world metamorphosed to on another stage. The war did not stop in 1970. You cannot be a testament to it. They systematically kill our people. In the end, they justify the reason why we must be killed, even by their own terrorists. When Boko Haram kill you, they will justify that Boko. When Fulani herdsmen kill you in your farm, they will not only justify that you are the criminal, your king will go and pay them. Your governors will go and pay them for destroying your crops. Will it ever end? They are the one that will come and destroy your crop. They are the one that will kill you. And they will be justified in the end. And BBC and CNN, they will tell you it is herdsmen and farmer crisis. The same way they told you the war, that when our people were being starved to death, when there was a conspiracy to wipe our people away, BBC was busy telling the whole world that there is famine in the coastal region. But the question is, will it ever end? They have destroyed our commerce and industry, and it's still ongoing, so that our youth, at the moment they graduate, the only option left for them is to go to Yoruba, Hausa, Fulani land. You being in Lagos is not your fault. You being in the north is not your fault. You scattered across the globe is not your fault. They had an agenda. It did work for them, but they did not consider the other aspect of the agenda. Because anything that have positive have negative. Anything when you talk, our children cannot stay at home. Our youth are scattered everywhere. We do not even find peace in our home. We don't find peace in outside. Adenka grandson said this, that they have sweared for us that we will never find peace. What Yoruba told you. You're one Yoruba of beloved Nigeria. This is what they did. This is what they continue doing. Our commerce is destroyed. Our industry is destroyed. I repeat again. Those of you who think your bank account, you want to save it, let me tell you, the Islamic bank is waiting for all of you. Maybe we are talking about Ruga, but they will come for you by taking all the money you have in your account and giving you £10. It's going to happen very soon. Just before you that for Boko Haram, I will give you. Give you notice as a terrorist give you notice to quiet. Why wouldn't they come? They came that day, they do that end of the day, they are going to be cattle, everything to Ruga said nothing. Why wouldn't they for Ruga? That our land is developed and they are working hard at it, even this very moment. We live one road, back light, and the best governor, people, you and impoverishing your people, so you have over them. For push the next one being left for living things, ability to create a enabling environment to survive, and that is exactly what is happening. Ask yourself, will it ever end? They said that they will never allow us to be in control of this. Before your very eye, in the PhD, if you like the LDB, whatever you like, even when you like, place at the end of the day will control your life. Look at your politicians. All of them have been indicted. All of them, only very few. Which never allowed to be alive. Very soon now they will say law and say nobody should eat that again. Nobody should eat okra again. Will it ever end? To this will it ever end? Somebody will come speak for you. They will come after the person to kill the person. Will it ever end? Our leader said something, and it shocks me. He said, "You have succeeded in killing me in when they comes to talk about Biafra, they will say, you want to die as Mazen and they cannot die. And all of us will go back. But it's a lie. We've passed that stage. We have developed a defense mechanism. For we will follow these people. We will bring this evil called Nigeria to an end. We are not going anywhere. The earlier we get better, the better for all of us. You think it will ever end? People who come out on broad daylight and tell you that you will never be in control of your life, and you think you are romancing them, you are trying to sound religious, you are trying to sound politically correct, you are trying to sound like a gentleman, and they are rubbishing you and making fool of you, telling you they must take your land. It is Ruga with impunity. Billions have been given to Miati Allah, the real terrorists in the land. Will he ever end? Before your very eye, they told you IPOB is a terrorist, we must proscribe them. You ran to the media, you did it. Will he ever end? You forgot that nobody is speaking for us without IPOB. Will he ever end? All the people who are yapping, how do they say it? Oh, IPOB is not doing it well. IPOB don't respect it. I hope Ruga will respect all of you, because you are going to be Rugad. All of you, both Yoruba, all of you in one Nigeria, you are going to be Rugad. Get ready. Do not stop it. No, go and pray. Sibanjo have told you, anything they say, is it Sibanjo? Kumuyi told you, anything they say you should do, please go and do it. Kumuyi is upset. Use Kumuyi compound for Ruga, because government says so. When you people are talking, you don't reason what you are talking. You are only being there analyzing how it favor you. You think this world is about you and your children. You think this life we are living is about useless Nigeria. It goes beyond that. This evil will not stop until we stop it. Now they say they want your land. What will you do if you do not stand up? If the youth do not stand up, your fathers have a land they can call the land of their father. If today youth do not stand up and face this evil, then there will be no place called your fatherland. If you do not mobilize your youth to stand up, sooner or later, there will be no Ebe Nonyobona. Look at people, they don't know what is coming. Masena Nekano has said it all. Chuko Kikabiama has said it all through his prophet, Masena Nekano. But what are you doing? You are still waiting till it happens. Before you know, you are in the grave already. Before you know, you are gone already. Ruga. After this, they will take your daughters. Soon, they will take your son. They will take everything from you. And now, on our back to our route, somebody is saying something. They are living close to every community, intermarrying. There are Kwere people, they say, our sister marry Fulani, our sister marry Fulani. Get ready. All those children born by your sister marry Fulani, they will come for all of you. Oh, our Enugu, we love Fulani. Go, just get ready. The children of those Fulani, they are coming for you. I said this before. I went to Enugu some time ago. I entered Enugu at night. I went to see our brother they called Don Prince, because we came there for a purpose, and along the line I said, let's go and see this brother. And we missed our way, and we placed him on call. It was night already. Before he could get to us, it was almost 11. And he now decided to direct us to our location. Now let me tell you what happened. We saw the community security and they stopped us because we wanted to boycott the highway through the community. They say, where are you going to? He told them and they knew him. And we now, they now said we cannot enter that community. We should go to the highway. He pleaded with them, even though they know him, they refused him. But I noticed the security man, supposedly community vigilante, that is supposed to know this is from this community and allow us to go. They refused. And I was watching them. And I noticed that Igbo guy looked like our Wasa Fulani. And when we left, I asked my friend, I said, is this guy Igbo Enugu guy? He said, no. Mama Yabo Onye Enugu. Man, Papa Yabo Onye Fulani. Oh, na asu Igbo no. Na asu Igbo, na asota Igbo no. I was shocked. And I said, he now is the best person to guide us, Abi. I said, now wow. He even refused us from entering your own community. It's unbelievable. Those people will take over that thing you think. If he will be the next councillor or next chairman, soon you will have Fulani children, governors. Of course, they will restore or emir. So all those monarch thinking that let them speak in favor, let them make you believe nothing is happening. It is well with them. They don't know what is coming for them. It is stage by stage. The question this morning is, will it ever end? Let us see how much they have grown, the much impunity they have. Maybe you listen to the cry of some people from Benue State.
Can you see? Some people just can they raise that fence there in the name of Ruga or whatever, without consultation with the people and for no project that we know of, and we are not going to allow them. We have scattered the signpost. Before the end of today, this fence will come down. Will come down. Oh, yes, will come down. Before the end of today, this whole thing will come down. Not allowed it. Getting it, and there's no dimension to it. It's endless.
So they took this land, and there's no measurement.
No measurement.
As far as
they just started doing their fencing.
So how long is the fence? Because I see it started from here down there.
As long as you can go. As long as you can go.
But is this only this part of the land, or here is also included?
Compassing the whole of this.
So this is what they want to start working with now.
Yes.
That they pasted the site.
Yeah.
Now you said the community is coming to raise down
before the end of today. Before the end of today.
But if you are raising it down before the end of today, won't you discover? Because I can see that you have already pulled down this one.
I've not even started yet. I've not started yet.
But you are speaking with so much anger. Why are you so angry, sir?
Because of the intention of the government that is to be killed by the herdsmen.
Wow. But most of you don't know, this is the real terrorists. Nigeria is a terrorist state. Nigerian politicians are terrorists. Nigerian senators are terrorists. Muhammadu Buhari was a terrorist. Jubril Nasurok, they are all terrorists. Anybody associating with Nigerians are terrorists. How do you know terrorists? How do you know terrorists? When they come to invest in Nigeria, they are terrorists. They telling you they want to build second Niger bridge for you. They are terrorists. They are telling you that Saudi Arabia want to build immigration for you. They are terrorists. If they ever do this, all of them are terrorists. Anybody telling you is coming to invest in Nigeria or to associate with Nigeria outside divided Nigeria, they are all terrorists. Do you think it will ever end? But there is a solution. I was very happy when I saw something online yesterday, and I knew maybe there is hope. Maybe there is hope. Because all of you are not yet ready. Let's listen to it.
This is a special announcement by the Rivers State government. Rivers State government will not participate in the federal government's Ruga settlements for herdsmen. It should be noted that the state has no land for the implementation of such a policy. The second term of His Excellency Nyesom Ezeowo Wike has prioritized commercial agriculture. Hence, all arable land in the state will be needed to drive commercial agriculture across the state to create employment for Rivers youth. We need to emphasize that the Rivers State government has not given any approval for the siting of Ruga settlements anywhere in Rivers State. No such approval will also come from the Rivers State government. Governor Wike will continue to defend the interests of Rivers people who have overwhelmingly rejected cattle colonies, Ruga settlements, and any such policy. Rivers indigents are hereby advised to join the government to protect all arable lands by reporting any form of encroachment under whatever guise.
I hope you people are hearing. That may sound a little bit, it gives hope a little bit. Not the one coming to tell you, we have been living peacefully in this community. We have never killed cow because we are Biafrans. We have never killed cow. We have never killed Fulani. But could it be the same? Could the Fulani have the same testament? Will this evil stop? This evil, will it stop? This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. Our leader said it all. He said they will kill you again. They will kill you again. The issue is, are you ready? Are you ready? You are a slave queen and you are a slave king. You are association and assimilation. You think there is future for you. They just look at you. They say, leave them. Let them eat fat. They are chicken. At the Christmas day, a salad day, we will slaughter them. This is how they look at you. British government to see them. They see you through the eyes of Hausa Fulani. But none of them will escape it. They told you before now.
They are going to kill us. They will be striking any moment from now. Hausa is going to decimate us. That time you'll be running around saying, oh, it is too late because of your inbred stupidity and crippling ignorance. Today you remember you have a traditional ruler to come out of the Kulob to be campaigning. Oh, we no go agree, we no go agree. Because of prisoners. We go early in the morning, around maybe 4:30. Wait until 7 o'clock. My Lord,
it's 7 o'clock already.
You think you have sense? No, where is the sense? Is anybody stopping the demolition of your shops in Lagos? The answer is no.
My Lord, it's 7 o'clock already. It's 7 o'clock already. In fact, we are 12 o'clock now. We are telling you, and some of you say, oh, it doesn't matter, it's propaganda. I thought Ruga is propaganda. More is coming. More is coming. Hey, Okawa say you don't want Ruga. Okawa, we want Ruga. I will give my own fatherland to Ruga. My own fatherland should be dedicated to Ruga. We want Ruga. That thing you people are looking for, you will see it. But ask yourself a question and begin to think now. Stop claiming what you are not. Look for IPOB family closer to you and join. If you are a Biafran from a Gala, Idoma, a Yala, you are from Arochukun Bitoru, you are Igbo, you are Ijo, you are Robo, you are Sekiri, you are Obobura, you are Ugeb, you are Kwaibon, you are a Biafran, you are still yapping. Don't worry, what is coming for you, you are not ready. I talked to that Kwaibon youth president, that went and seized the thing that belonged to IPOB. You think Nigeria gave you 2,000 and then you are chairman. Don't worry, what is coming for all of you, you are not ready for it. You will cry, but you have not started. Ruga, I thought you love Hausa. Why are you running from Hausa Fulani? Those of you who say, I love Hausa, honestly, I love them. They are coming. Why are you running? Okowa, go and give my father land. Go and give them. Because this is exactly what we want. We told you, Nigeria will use her hand to initiate that anarchy. That anarchy, that trouble they are looking for, they will initiate anarchy. And then we will know who is fighting who. Everybody will be fighting everybody, and nobody will be fighting anybody. We will know who you will come and separate at the end of the day. Those of you waiting to sell ammunition, produce it. Produce enough, because we shall buy. But we will know who you are selling to, and we will know who is buying for who, and who is doing who. Today, some people are saying, we have been talking, they have overrun us. Of course, it's an answered prayer. We need them to overrun us the more. But before, we were not talking, and people were blaming us. Nobody is talking. They just do it and go away. They do it and go away. Now we have started talking. We have talked and talked and talked and talked. Mazi now they cannot have talked and talked and talked. Mazi Chemefo continued from there and talk and talk and talk. Now we are still talking and talking and talking and talking. And people are saying, hey, we have talked enough. Let us move into action. Don't worry. Very soon, I remind you again. You will be the one saying, these people they don't even listen. Any small thing, IPOB will carry gun. Any small thing, they start shooting. They start shooting and shooting and shooting and shooting. They will always be shooting and shooting. Can't they dialogue? Don't worry, we will get there. Biafrans, wake up. Do not use this water that there is pepper inside to wash your face. Because I'm afraid you're going to experience excruciating pain. Maybe the rest of your life. This is Radio Biafra Extra. I'll be back in a minute.
Oh, nana. Land of the rising sun. John Lavine. My originality. Land of the rising sun. Biafra. Land of the rising sun. Biafra, my home, my fatherland. Biafra, land of the rising sun. We are children of the Most High, called by the name of God, the Creator. Wise men from the east, south, and the middle, great Biafran people. But they kill it to idol worship and we lost the face of our God. And as we wallowed in idol worship, the British entered in, trading on the Niger, exploiting your people, trading by barter. You give me palm oil and take soup to them yesterday. I brought in civilization, brought in your religion, and told us about America, and we embraced them. I never knew them got ulterior motive. With religion splitted us amongst our brethren. With denomination, tear us apart. Building churches, schools and hospitals. We never knew we had to pay this much to be your place forever.
Yes, at this moment our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line is 070-815-45642. Our WhatsApp line once again is 070-815-45642. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. Special number dedicated to the female is 081-288-58614. Special number for the female is 081-288-58614. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Good morning from here.
Good morning, sir. My name is Agoko Richinedu. Calling from Igbocha. I am from Ebonyi province, in Onitsha, Igbeze. Hello, sir. Okay, sir. Mazi, thank you for what you have been for the people of Biafra. Thank you for Almighty Tukwabiyama for the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. People like you who have taken this cause upon yourself. We are here. I am one of the volunteers. I volunteer myself, as I always say, to die for my sovereign nation. If it is what is the Almighty Chukwuabiama wishes that I'll go for the Biafra to come, I've volunteered myself. Because even Nnamdi Kanu will abandon everything he has to come to fight for me. He's my own savior. People of the white man have Jesus Christ as their savior, but I am myself having Nnamdi Kanu as my own savior. And he will keep saving me and my generation. So I just want to make it clear to our people. We cannot be chasing Fulani. I would say that Fulani should leave our land. At the same time, we are still eating their numbers. Every day, our people go to slaughter their number with 200,000, 400,000 naira. We patronise them after sleeping with their number. Sleeping with cow. They'll come and sell it to us, using it for their sacrifice. The prosperous in our view, prosperous in our land. How do you expect us to live? When you be eating the nama, patronize them every day, make them your friends, because when you buy the nama, after sleep nama, they'll come and sell it for you. That means at the same time, you are welcoming them. We say we don't want Luga. Why won't we want Luga? There'll be Luga. We must give them our land, because we already have a fight everywhere. Like here in Igbocha, they are taking over everywhere. But when we talk about we tell our people that say we are minister, we don't know what we are doing. But I thank God that I myself, I know they will not kill me because I'm vigilant. Because Mazinaka have taught me to be vigilant. 2 years now, I've not been sleeping in my house. We keep watching that because we know our enemies are around us. But some of our young men will go and sleep in the house. Say they are this and that. They are cultists. They are wise men. They are no better than us. But at the end, we shall know who is the wise man. I want to tell us to boycott Nama. I'm telling my people in Ebonyi, boycott Nama here in Ugbocha, start from everywhere in our land. Let's all boycott eating of cow. Let me give my darling to tell my people, for those who will not understand what I'm saying. In the Antigbe, don't do no mamano. If I'm watching you, I will call it. It says the local nature. Ni beze in Ebonyi province. In Asudiko, Sanye halfway Tanama. Sanye halfway Tanama. And so you have a young man, a full-fledged man, a young girl, she rise up. And you with that, I don't know why you the Chibani, and you're born in here. So you know what I for? But my volunteers now, no, my dinner morning this one. No, one working a full food chili that will call the volunteer. You watch here. Now, so, we know. Tanyana Zuni, they were even nine, you was in there. Oh, my God. We're finding with Biafra, you can't ever like I need it. So that our children will come after what to have suffered. So that we don't suffer what, because we have suffered what our father suffered. We cannot continue. If we cannot do Biafra, that means we rise up and fight for our freedom. Young men, courtesan cannot pay us. Leave Sagi, leave being a guy man come. We have everything it takes to be what you want to be when Biafra come. Let's forget what we enjoy today. Let's have ourselves today and enjoy tomorrow. Maz, I want to hand over to my brother Odo Oko from Akwa Ibom.
Go ahead.
Maz, good morning. Maz, good evening.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
I'm Odo Akwa Ibom. I'm Akwa Ibom. We are profi. So much egidere mbendere new nation na machine mo new nation rising from Guru IPOP. Onye police gidere mtene oge etum no long kama hono niile ka tap. According to uche obi ya, but uche obi ya uche chukwu. Meme te yenda niile na emeta ebelo kam ma patakwa. Njana mo volunteer. Awu onye Akwa Ibom. Then get the to ke the Afra na elo. Onye ge memu a na surrender in the year. I can never surrender to no achieve my Biafra. I'm telling me before, say she will put me inside cell and my coach will fall out. But then, when my brothers then come, then bury me, I feel come back. And the policeman will finish the cut. We'll see at the death of Biafra. Because of what? Our last hope in this world is Biafra. Nobody knows. We don't get anybody. Except as I'm the color with the IPOP, with the volunteers. The people who think about the governance of their people, and Nigeria is doing hot. Come our land now. Everywhere in our land is Namashit. No tax, nothing. But we were the right common Okada, police go pursue us, the thousands go pursue us. All the whole frustration against humanity is against us. But then we'll have people telling us that will be this and this and every man of God and they just one day the men leave the ground for us, but no one die. Mercy, so let me use my diary to my people. Me take a minute from the book, and I'm going to go full. It is so quite boom. Under your profit. Some may come to the book. They can't know what a young Biafra, I think you can Biafra. It's a very low level and you wouldn't give you a can. They can either with you. The government and you with them. And you like the Roman to go. Mamma Franny wouldn't do. It is like the Roman to go. It is like the Roman to go. You would burn them to go. If they were on the big burn to go. Never to go. You would your gun to go. If you like it, you will read them to forget them to go. You will your gun to go. Martin, I thank you. Let you go carry them. I bless you. And the God of our land who always protect you. Let me give back to my brother. Maze, may the peace of Almighty Chukara be with you. The rising sun that rises from the east, the blessed land of Biafra will always be with you. Eyes of people want will not see Nnamdi Kanu.
Thank you.
At the end, Biafra must be restored. In the name of Almighty Chukwu.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Our people must understand. It is simple. These are men and women watching over your land. But most of you don't know. You don't know. While you are sleeping, you don't know that there are youths watching over you, but you will never know about them. And there are people on Facebook, hey, we are Biafran Defense Squad, we are Biafran International Squad. All of your criminals, your time will be off. Your time will be up. Don't worry. Ruga is what is panicking all of you now. You love Awusa, you love Fulani. Give them Ruga. Can you hear me? Call on WhatsApp. Call on WhatsApp. Can you hear me? Call on the line. Can you hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please. Your name and where are you calling from?
My name is Chris. I'm calling from my back. My journey is bless you. Bless our leader of my DK. Bless you, Senator, and all workers of IPOC. My journey, you said it all this morning. They will all suffer. Those that call themselves our leaders, they accepted this Fulani Hesu. They will start killing from their own house. They will all suffer. All the thing I know is that our Biafra is coming. Our children will not suffer. Your children will not suffer. May God come and bless you, keep you, and bless you. In the name of Yeshua.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You see. Call on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Good morning from here.
Good morning, sir.
Go
Hello,
ahead,
Biafra.
please.
Hello.
Go ahead, please.
My name is Jerry Ebom. I'm speaking from Ebonyi State. I want to thank Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for all what he has spoken. They are fulfilling every day. The Fulani want to take over the whole Nigeria, the whole Southeast, Biafra land, that it will not work. This information that is taken from Radio Biafra is very effective. I want the governors, if they are sincere, they should make an announcement to the governor of Rivers State to show that they don't want it. And it appears that some of them have a stake. They have their own cows. They have their own cattle. They are part of the business. And that's why they cannot come out openly. But we will resist it in Ebonyi State. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We must continue. Call on WhatsApp, your name and where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Malaysia. Good day, sir.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I'm calling from Malaysia. My name is Chisom. I want to say one thing to our people. It has happened. I greet you, Mazonibe, first. Our people should have it in mind there is no way going back. Even we here today, we are not happy being here today. We are finding a way to come back to protect our land. And the one we're supposed to do here as IPOB member here, we are doing it. We never go back from the meeting and everything. Whatever they ask us to contribute, we'll contribute it. But I want to say one thing here. Our leader, I saw our leader with Sahara Reporter. I know that our leader is wise. But what I want to say that let history don't repeat itself again. I know that our leader is very wise. These people are people that tag us name and call us everything. I know at the point of like this.
If anybody made advance to deform or dent or assassinate the image or character of IPOB, nobody have done a better job like Sorowe or be Sorowe, what they call him. If he lie, let him kiss our leader. If they lie, let them grant interview. Yes. As far as I'm concerned, Yoruba cannot be trusted. We know. Let him come and interview me. They are deceiving themselves. He was using that useless lying Yoruba Gota media to destroy IPOB, but it's always like that. If they can't beat them, they join them. They can't beat IPOB. They want to join IPOB. Sorry for cutting you off. Go ahead.
Okay. I know what happened in Obibo, in our seat at home. He is the first person that said that we allied and burn trucks in Obibo Express. He is the first person that said that word. Being Sowore, Omoyode Sowore. He's the first person, and he's the man that's standing up to call good luck or Gogoro man. I know that I don't support good luck, but anything that came out from our own side, he is the first person to stand up and give it name and give it the baptism name. So anything they are doing today, I don't want to hear that guy name. He's not for us. We are not for him. He's a very useless human being. Sorry to say this.
You are not nothing to sorry for. Most of our people don't reason. I just look at them. They know how to praise their enemy. Majority of our people know how to praise their enemy. You see, very soon they say, Sowore is formidable. Is he saying the truth? Obasanjo is formidable now. Tiwa Danjuma is formidable now. Boko Haram are formidable. Miati and all of them are formidable. Once all these people oppressing us now will come out and say, well, IPOB, they will start praising them. Oh, they are wonderful. Now, maybe today now you will see Sowore everywhere. Sowore is wonderful. You shall see.
I should still let people to know today. Anybody that wants to learn will come to IPOB. Anybody that want to mobilize himself will come to IPOB. We are the people that tag many names. I have many enemies today because of IPOB. You see one of my leg today is not moving fine because of IPOB. I thank God that everything that are happening is in my presence. Those people, the rejected stone now has been the chief cornerstone, but it's not yet finished. They will be coming, and I believe our leader, and I know what he can do. My heart were broken since that yesterday till now. I tried to get you yesterday when you were doing the marriage something. I called, I could not get you. I thank God very well, all these things are happening. Paul Lunongo today is nowhere to be found.
Nowhere.
Paul Lunongo is nowhere to be found. Paul Lunongo have an evil statement against our leader.
No, tomorrow now, Paul Lunongo now. By the time Ruga will Ruga Paul Lunongo compound, he will not snap with our leader. So, you know, they are returning home. But of course, it's the best thing for them. But Yoruba, Oduduwa nation should go and cry for themselves. Our Samedu bed. Everybody should go and cry for themselves. We have been crying because this time they are preparing for.
Yes, because the almost 10 million people, as you said, that the war has ended, but the war did not end. That's what they call guerrilla war. They are still fighting guerrilla war against our people. Any people that are trading anything with our people have to be cautioned. Forget about the governors, forget about the Ohanese, forget about everything. The security man that is in house is Hausa Fulani. His own house in Enugu town. In Enugu where he lives, is Hausa Fulani. He has never pursued him. He never come out waiting day in eye. Now other people only one come out. Let anybody that know that house should go and check. His Hausa Fulani is there today. I just want to say, our people that are hearing my voice, hearing your voice too, we have to do what? Trade caution. All these people that are coming now, they are coming to run us down. But I believe they will never succeed. They have killed more than 10 million Biafrans. And they are still killing. Yoruba has never passed what we passed through. Our properties. See how this show already they come. Start say, I'm supporting them now they can. Why that first time? Why do you come out to contest for election? Why don't you go and start mobilizing your own people? Telling your people to stand. No election. I call you, Sowore, you are doing a live broadcast. I call you, say, you still want to rule with this evil appetite? He say, when he go there, he will. I say, no, why not you ask your people to revoke against this constitution? Then our own side will revoke against it. Then let's see who will stand. I told him all these things on live broadcast. But he did not agree. As I have failed for election now, he's trying where to do what? To make himself relevant. We reject him media, reject that man that he sent to Nnamdi Kanu, they call Mr. Damaji. Reject everything about him. I see what Mr. Damaji do on Independence Day in New York. Nigerian people were
they are mocking
dancing.
us. They are making fool of us. They don't know they are mocking their mother. They are mocking their father. They don't know they are making fool of all of them. They will cry. It's only Ruga now. Look at everybody.
Check back now. You will see where he said we are calling him Nnamdi Kanu our leader, mocking with us with every nonsense thing he's put in his body. Today he's the one shaking hand with him. All of them are proud to shake hand with him. All of them are proud to shake hand with him. They are all Judas. Judas starts stealing the money of the disciples from far back. Let them have it in mind. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you. We must continue. Whatever they think they are doing, let them go ahead. Can you hear me? Caller on the line.
Yes.
Please, when you call, lower your radio. Our people should must have, and this is a female line. Am I talking to a female?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, one. Go ahead,
yes.
Please.
This is Madam Imushe. Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
May Almighty God will continue to bless you people. You have been doing it. Now, people have started to realize what our leader are they saying now? All of them will be in this nonsense radio. We are listening to them every day. Now they are battling in the radio. Please, it is this a statement that this our brother just mentioned. Now this is our last caller. Please, let our leader, let him see our. We have been praying for him. Please let him caution. Let him take. Please, this is announcement now. The other lady mentioned it last time about the person which people are talking about. They are all saboteurs. Please, our legs are on ground. Our knees are on ground, pleading with our leader. Please let him take extra precaution. Please, anybody that is coming to him, please let him look at that person very well. That is number one. Number two thing that I want to mention now is about this cattle. Even our own people that is doing that business in our own area, where our meeting here in water have decided to go and want a man in our own village to do away with all the cattle. If he fail to do it, they will excommunicate him. Let every other community follow suit. Anybody that is patronizing this harassment, that the community people should do away with such person if he fails to send away the cattle. That is how they are coming into our lands. With their own people saying that they are buying cattle so that when people die, they go there easily. This is what I want to inform ourselves this morning. Please.
Thank you.
Go ahead. God will bless us. And this, we have decided it. Whatever they decide, it is for our own good. We are here. Thank God for you people. God will continue to bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ada. Our people must understand. For Shuwari or Shukutu, I don't even know his name. Our leader, of course, we understand. It is Almighty Creator that guides his wisdom, because he does not have his own sense. He doesn't have his own wisdom. But his wisdom, Chukwu Okike Abiama have taken it over. So nobody can deceive him. I'm saying what I'm saying. For gullible Biafrans, who will soon begin to write, oh, Shawara is formidable. If a German hate Igbo man today, it is because Nnamdi Azikiwe would have released Adakaboru, but he released Awolowo. In less than how many years, instead of Yoruba to be grateful, they will never tell you this thing. Awolowo took the money belonging to Igbo people, and Yoruba went and released Adakaboru and used him against us. This is the game they are playing. But most of you don't know. Are we going? How many of Yoruba atrocity are we going to talk? We are talking about Fulani herdsmen, Miati Allah, Boko Haram, Buhari and his kingmen. You think Yoruba are left out? We will look into just fuck up later on. Can you hear me? Call on WhatsApp. Call on WhatsApp. Go ahead, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning from here.
My brother. Yes, sir. My name is Chema Ugochukwu, calling from India. I hail from Mumbai. Mumbai is in Olo province, Biafra land. Mazi, please permit me to appreciate Chukwu Okike Abiama and acknowledge my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Okukano, onye eziokwu. Chukwu Okike, anyị na-ekele gị eze pụrụ ime ihe niile, onye naanị ya bụ ezigbo chi. Chukwu kpọpụtara Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ bịa zọpụta ndị ya. Nna nara ekele nara otuto n'isi nwa oru gị, na-edu ya na-aga, butere ya ụzọ n'ihi na ndị jụrụ aja ekwere na a na ha abịa n'ọwụ ha ncha niile na-abịa ugbu a na-abịa fọ ihe dị mma. A na-abịa ka ha bịa hụrụ mara ma ihe a na-ekwu ọwụ eziokwu. Chukwu Okike Abiama nye our leader Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mmụọ amamihe pụrụ iche ka o were at the end ka ọ kpọlata ya n'ala nke ahụ ikwere anyị na nkwa n'aha Chukwu Okike Abiama pụrụ ime ihe niile. Ise ise ise. Maazị George Oyibeme, Chukwu Okike Abiama bless you, my brother. Bless you, Maazị. You have done a lot of things in the life of our people. You have liberated, you have waked dead lions. I can assure you, Maazị, may Chukwu Okike Abiama keep you alive. You see Nigeria, a word Nigeria represents evil. Anything evil, name one. Men sleeping with his fellow men is evil. Women sleeping with his fellow women is evil. Anything concerning evil, name one thing.
Abuki sleeping with cow, sleeping with ram.
Sleeping with cow.
I was sleeping with cow, goat everywhere. And I was some of our useless women will open leg for them. I was sleeping with cow. Ruga.
anything evil, Mazi, Nigeria is representing.
Very soon now, our children close to Hausa Fulani will start sleeping with cow. Maybe they want cow to be giving birth to human being. Maybe very soon. Of course, there is one in the history they call Militon. Go ahead.
Yes, Mazi. So anybody saying you are standing for one Nigeria, you are supporting one Nigeria, having in mind that people are watching you. So if you think you are wise, you are representing one Nigeria because your family, they are murderers. They are surviving with people's blood. They are stepping in the innocent blood just for them to answer, just for them to drive latest cars and build mansions and open accounts in diasporas. The account, some of them will open, they will die. That money will die in that account. That money belongs to us. So if you are proud of yourself, you said you are representing Nigeria. 4 eyes are watching you, not only 2. 4 eyes are watching you. Remember our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu said that we are 7 steps ahead of you guys. Remember all those words our leader are saying. We are calling you, come, let's unite together. As I was watching, elderly man giving money to the Fulani people because of the youth slaughtered cow.
Cow that destroyed their farm. Cow that destroyed their farm.
Destroy the things that
and the so-called stupid hopeless king paid for the cow. The hopeless governor paid for the cow, but they didn't pay for the crop.
These people take the age of that man, and someone somewhere will wake up and said, IPOB, they are small boys, they are miscreants, they are insulting people. How old is that man? Are you now telling me that that man did not witness Biafran genocide during the 1967 to 1970? Is it that you are trying to tell me?
No, he's under Nigerian payroll. He's under Nigerian payroll.
Yes, Mazi, because of, you see this word of Nigeria, or anything representing Nigeria, all of them, they have sell their future. And they don't want other ones now to grow with their own future because of they have sold their own future. They know they don't have hope. Even hopeless, they don't have. They have sold everything soluble in their lives. And thinking that someone you are going to bribe and just to expose your own brother, that an outsider, that person will trust you. Is it that our people are, is it that what you guys are trying to teach us? You see that elderly man, you paid that 170,000. Mas, watch that Hausa man. You see that man cannot even speak English. He cannot understand English.
Tomorrow he will become the minister for petroleum. Tomorrow he will become minister of petroleum.
Yes, Mazi, then which language now? That man now, if you take that man now, when they were telling us Bakassi people, they will raise hand up, they will raise knife up, it will turn to green and white. If you take that man now to those people, you will see that that man have killed many people more than that cow. And the youth in that village, why can't you rise up now and said, you have given money to this Hausa Fulani for us killing this cow. Then those people that have that land, those Hausa Fulani are destroying. Why can't you rise up now and tell them to give you some ransom now? Because you spend money to put in that farm. Mazi, you see that what is happening to our brothers is not what they blow on air. It's what they have eaten. I watched one movie, one guy, he's a Biafran guy, maybe he's listening to me. He's doing native things, and he said he did something for someone, and that person now sent his brother to go and buy cow for him to give his aroshi or whatsoever. That guy went to bring one cow, Mazi. That guy turned the leg, cow, I'm telling you, cow, Mazi. That guy turned the head of that cow. That cow fall. That head did not turn out. Cow that 4 people or 5 people cannot be able to kill during the 2010. Mazi, 4 people, 5 Hausa people cannot hold cow down. They cannot kill it. One person hold one cow head and stretch that head will turn, and that cow will fall. He did not rise up, Mazi. You see that if that cow may be transported in diaspora, and the people that is in charge now check what is inside that cow, you will see how much sickness and how much poisonous and how evil that cow is. The things that Hausa Fulani have deposited in that cow made that cow even not to rise as that one person, and I'm expecting that guy to flush that video so that people will see it. We don't come out here and speak rubbish. We tell you how it is. One person snatched the head of cow and cow fall. He did not rise up. Cow. You check what is inside in that cow that weaken that cow. You that is seeing it, they will kill it. You will go and eat suya. You will use it to cook pepper soup. You will use it to cook soup. Things cannot be. Imagine when I was kid, my father was alive. There is some chicken. We are training goat. We are training chicken. But there is a goat that maybe this goat is not doing well. My father will not allow us to kill that goat and eat. We will allow that goat to die, or we will send it away. You see that goat is sickness. Our people will not eat it. But we are not checking all those things again. Are you telling me there is no cow that is sick? And that these people now, all those sick cow, they will have mind to throw it because they are Messiah. They will take you to the heaven. People in that community, this man give this Hausa Fulani money. Rise up. Let that same man compensate those people that have that farm. That is what I have to tell our people this now. I still remain Chimanwo Ugochukwu. Thank you very much, Mazi, and God bless Biafra. All hail Biafra.
Biafra, we must continue. Yes, can you hear me, Kola Waza?
Yeah, Maz, good evening, sir.
Yes, good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, Mazi, I want to ask for something. I just want to speak regarding to this Showole and our leader. Am I coming out clearly, Mazi?
Loud and clear. Go ahead.
Okay, I just want to say something about it. We IPOB, I know it's hot for every one of us seeing our leader with somebody like Showole. But I want to ask for something because our leader is not a child. And he's not alone. We have office. We have leaders. We have people that are guiding him. So we should please. He knows what he is doing. Our leader is not a baby. Let him play his card. He came out for this struggle, and we follow him. We have to understand that our leader knows what he's doing. Let me ask you a question.
Did anybody say our leader? Hold on. Did anybody say our leader don't know what he's doing?
Yeah, the way they are screaming.
We hate Showore, we hate Showore, we hate Yoruba. Can't you get it? We hate them. But can't you get it?
Yes.
We hate them.
I know.
If you love them, tell me. Look at our people who used to say, we too love Hausa, we too love Hausa. Now they are shouting for Ruga. Hausa want to come closer for love. Now they are running. Must it happen to us again? You're saying it as if somebody say our leader don't have sense. Of course we know. And certainly we don't want any of our media to talk good about that man. Do you know the nonsense they talk about IPOB? We should start clapping. Don't worry. I know you people are there. You people have tried. Okay, I clap for you. Thank you for bringing Showore too close to our leader. Come and bring, what do they call it? Come and bring our leader with T.Y. Danjuma now. Are you not going to connect our leader with Obasanjo? Leave all these smart people. Let's focus on what we are doing. You are saying it as if maybe we hate our leader. Or our leader don't know what he's doing. We cannot forget what these people are doing to us. With every school I have gone to, I cannot work in Nigeria because my first employment, Yoruba person tell me that and I should clap for Showore. Showore, wonderful. We are moving forward. If that is moving forward in this struggle, may we never move forward. Somebody should arrange Obasanjo and our leader to meet now so that we have our freedom. Go and ask a German. Their anger is that, is it Nnamdi Azikiwe or Ojukwu? They have two prisoners, Adakaboru and Awolowo. All these sentimental issues made them to release Awolowo. They released Awolowo and held Adakaboru. Yoruba went back and released Adakaboru. And do you know what happened at the end of the day? We are still paying for it. We didn't say our leader don't know what he's doing. We are saying all this info should stop. It is a new trend now. Somebody will come on social media and sort IPOB. The next day we come and apologize. And then we start writing, hey, it's not formidable. It's not formidable. Maybe it will become another trend later. Let all of us begin to insult IPOB. And then we will come and repent. Then you call us formidable. Did we say our leader don't know what he's doing? Whatever we are doing today, without him, we cannot do it. I simply say, God is his wisdom. God is his knowledge. God is his understanding.
That's it.
But waiting we know, like if we say we go talk him. Who is Shawore?
Oh, you don't understand.
You
don't understand. I'm just
saying,
saying.
I know. We know. That is exactly what we are saying. We are against what they are doing. All these juju no go work. Yoruba pastor, they do juju. All of them, they do juju. I know it will not work in our leader's house. But must we tempt God because we are children of God? Why are pastors not jumping on the trailer so that faith will defend them? Go ahead, my sister. You don't tire now.
Okay,
no, I didn't cut you off. There are things I don't take. We know say our leader no get sense. He gets sense. They tell Yoruba, make them go fight for their people. Make them go do their own conference. Tomorrow now, Adeyinka grandson will come to Mazen and the Kano and say, I've repented. We go now begin the right. Oh, Adeyinka is a warrior. Hey, Adeyinka is wonderful. He's formidable. Is that how stupid we can be? No one. Somebody should connect our leader with Adeyinka.
Maz, I will call you on the personal phone, not here, okay? Because why I just want to say it on the air is for people to understand,
Of
but
course
I will
we do.
call you personal.
We understand.
So
Yoruba cannot give us freedom. Hausa cannot give us freedom. Nobody. Most of this country you are looking at are part of the people stealing our oil. So forget about all of them. Adeyinka grandson should come, and when our leader go to UK, somebody arrange in with our leader to meet. Thank you very much. We must continue.
Okay, thank you.
I tell our people, we must remain focused. Anybody coming here to be sentiment, you are killing yourself. Yoruba and Hausa are working very hard to make sure we don't have support. Every day they are poisoning us and Yoruba are backing them up. Nobody said our leader don't have sense. He does. Without his guidance, we are lost. Without his guidance, we are lost. There is nobody like him before he came. And certainly, even in 1,000 years, there will be nobody like him. But ordinary woman mislead Solomon. Do you not hear that the old prophet deceived the young prophet? All these evil people. I thought they were against IPOB. Why did Shawore not write that IPOB is not a terrorist? So he's now meeting terrorists, Oga. Some things are insult. Some relationships should be torn down. How many leaders of Sanhedrin did Jesus Christ romance? How many leaders of Sanhedrin did Jesus Christ embrave, our Savior? But he chooses what he does, and he does what he chooses. Either way, we are not saying our leader should not do what he's doing, because this is a spiritual project. And when God asks him to go, he should go. We have no issue about that. But our concern is our people must not lose focus of who they are. Because very soon now, Obasanjo will still come and tell you, it's okay, Lord Mazen and the Kano, let them give us Biafra. Then we can begin to count their relationship. All those romance. What is on ground now is Ruga. Shawore should go and write about Ruga. I've not heard this comment there. Can you hear me, caller on the line?
Hello.
Good morning from here. Your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from?
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
My name is Ikechukwu. I'm calling from Aba.
Caller on WhatsApp, your name and where are you calling from?
Yeah, my brother from another womb. Good morning from Europe here.
Good morning, Mazi.
But good. Let's see, I got from the Ukraine, who are you are saying exactly the truth. We love you. We will continue to share your good work to your motherland I say my regard to your beloved family and whatever your hand touches. Mazi, I say good morning to Hamadik. Good afternoon, good evening, good night to all Biafrans all over the world. My name's Okefo Nosiu. Okefo Nosiu from Omaka. Omaka is in Ndaba. Ndaba is in Olo, Imo province of Biafra land. Hamadike Omeme Zosigu Prezu Anya. Onye Chieneburu. Continue to give, bless and keep you. All your heart's desires, your intention, and your aspirations must be achieved in the name of Kabiama. My deputy leader, Andebo Acharaneto, I greet you, good morning in London, hardcore Biafrans all over the world. Your topic, this one is very, very interesting, like always. What we are saying is what I love too much. Even Chisom said very clearly, Chisom from Malaysia said it. Mas, this Yoruba, you can never trust the Yoruba. And the Yoruba I don't appreciate them coming to see our leader. And what is behind their darkness, don't want to have anything with them. We can never trust Yoruba. We don't know their intention. You don't know why they are there. They are very deadly. We don't appreciate them. We don't love them.
Outside FFK, have you heard any Yoruba person say anything good about Igbo man?
Majority Yoruba man, there are
FFK,
very good
outside
one of them.
FFK,
why you say is good.
Outside these two people, go and watch them. They marry Igbo, maybe a better Igbo breed. That is why their sense is working. Have you seen them? Any Yoruba talk good about our people?
Yeah, Mazi, we know that. But it's very, very annoying and baffling when our hardcore Biafra will come and start antagonizing people, challenging or calling Yoruba what they are. We must call them what they are. We remember Biafrans. We are as white as when we see black, we say it's black. When we see red, we say we are not afraid of anybody. How can that idiot went to do video and the damage is going there? No, yes,
no, Obasanjo will soon come
maybe
to
that Adeyikato will come tomorrow.
I don't know why they didn't arrange him to meet with Osibanjo. Osibanjo would have gone for
Mas, these people cannot be trusted. We don't know their intention, their aspirations. You don't know why they're going there. These people are under Agwo. We don't love them, and we can never love them. Darkness have nothing in common. We don't need them. Let them go and remove the peck in their eye before coming. And we don't need anything about them. Let them stand their own. Let them fight on their own. This is what I want to say this morning because I'm very, very annoyed. When upon the stage, upon what they have gone through, somebody who is antagonizing us, castigating IPOB, doing everything to run us down.
He come to shake our supreme leader. Then we will begin to appreciate. Yeah. Oh, so Are is alive now. He's a good man.
Mba Chineke kwa ma kwe Chinaka ihe obula ha ji owe ha buru nke ọma ga meet nke ọma ga ha buru nke ọjọọ it will go back with him. That is the thing. I love Biafrans. We are very intelligent people and we are observing, we are watching. Our leader has made all of us to be CIA. We are 7 steps ahead of them. As for Ruga, I am calling Omaka now. If you are from Omaka, Dachi, Omaka Ebiri, listen to me. If you are from Omaka, if you are from Amudi Omanze, if you are from Amando Omundowa, if you are from Ekwe, if you are from Amibo, if you are from Okwodo, if you are from Isunjabi, if you are from Orodo, if you are from Omonya, Umunoha, if you are from anywhere around that area, Okwodo, the whole Biafra land, the whole Oluzun, Old Oluzun, if you watch out that you are useless your time, you don't want to fight for that your beloved time God gave to you. That Omaka na de kwe na de kwe all of you na relax. I also have taken up that for Omaka. On Sundays people are calling. We are here. We are having videos. We are taking record. I want to remind you that these people are in Java there, and they have come there. It's how you wake up and plan about your security. It's high time you know what to do now. You do the needful right now before it becomes too late. On the way here to you now. Because set up your security. That is number one thing. Guide that your beloved town. Guide that your beloved village. Guide that your beloved house, your laboratory, so far for. Otherwise, you live to regret it. Mas, let me make this announcement, please. Please, Lagosians, if you are based in Lagos, those of us in diaspora that are Lagosians, I trust you, my IPOB brothers. Whether you are IPOB or not IPOB, please, we are begging you. We have project ongoing at Lagos. It is 10,000 naira. We want to put 3 transmitters in Lagos. I appreciate those of you who have been calling and assisting and giving that. We appreciate you. We want to encourage you the more, and we want you to do more. Please.
Zoo Epileptic Network. We must continue. Our people must remain focused. They have toyed with our mind. People should not misunderstand what we are saying. Our leader is a man and he has the right to do what he wants to do, see who he wants to see, go where he wants to go, unquestionable. Nobody in his moral right senses can question his decision and action, even in a time like this. If he like, let him chop Biafran people. We will never call him bad man. Hadamut Farouk taught us that if he see Awusa eating another Awusa man, he will never call him bad man. We have learned that now. Maybe they say we taught them what they are doing. Now they are teaching us back. We shall see. But it is simple. Let me tell you what happened in those days. Go and look at all the paintings of the ancient time, where you hear about Michelangelo and the rest of them. Most of you do not know that those ancient paintings of Michelangelo and the rest of them were actually a tool, a weapon of politics in their time. They paid the rulers of the day, the kings of the day, paid huge amount of money for them to be positioned at the center of that picture. Most of you don't know. Where you see, oh, you are looking at the angel and everything. Those pictures pass a clear message. They were very powerful political tools in their time. Michelangelo will paint you and put you in the place of honor in that picture. Anybody that sees the picture, they will look at the man in the center stage. He now becomes the image of the world. Most of you do not know. Any writer should have this idea. When you snap our leader with Sowore, you're supposed to go and re-edit Sowore's face. Put on there. Let them know that our leader shake one terrorist. Give him AK-47. You are making both of them to look fine. I don't like it. I don't like it. Go and ask Soldier of Justice. The hatred they hate for our leader, when they post him, they will give him on. Tomorrow now, those people will say, I repent. You now start praising them. If any of our media should learn to give these people on. If Angel Gabriel like, let him come and visit our leader. If he's not coming to give us Biafra or talk about Biafra, did Sowore mention Biafra? Give them on. Paint them down. Dull them down. Because that is what they've been doing to us. But can you hear me, caller on the line?
Good morning.
Morning from here. Go ahead, please.
My name is AY. I'm calling from Biafra land. Mazi, Ruga settlement. Ruga. From Koto colony to Ruga settlement. Fulani herdsmen. Give your land to them. Give your land to them. Nobody is talking. Nobody is talking. Mazi, we have been surrounded. We have been surrounded. I'm calling all the elders in Nibocha that should never accept this Ruga settlement. They should never give their land to this Hausa Fulani, all the elders, because we have heard that they are going to bribe them. I love the statement that Rivers State Governor did, which is very, very good. If all the other people can take this and also do their own, all the elders should never give land to, because these people, they will surround. If they give their land, they are going to surround us. That is what I have to say. Thank you. I'm a chico of Kabema. Bless.
Are good to analyze Some people are still waiting. The only thing that will now make our eye to be clear is they start bombing us. Somebody say, allow people to say their mind. Allow people to say their mind. Now, these are one thing you do not know. And this is why I don't allow the woman to complete whatever she has to say. He said people should not think our leader did not know what he's doing. Did anybody say our leader don't know what he's doing? We're just telling Yoruba, if you like, come and romance our leader, give him chieftaincy title. It will not stop demean the evil they've done to us. Those of you in diaspora don't know what is happening. One of the presenters from Ikuri last night said that Yoruba have made a vow, an awusa, that no indigene will be given any job in River State. They now interview them. Those positions meant for indigene, they must be interviewed. Go and sing the praises of your enemy. Answer me, if they have ever done that for you, may it be well with you. If they've not done that with you, your family will pay price for what is happening in Biafra land. Why are we so daft? Why can't we see it? Our leader must communicate with people. The same way Ojukwu went to Aburi Accord, eat food with Gowon, came back and thought all is well. How did he end up Ojukwu? How did he end up Ojukwu? Or have you forgotten Aburi Accord that Ojukwu and Gowon eat in the same place? Did I say our leader is not aware of it? You come, you tell us something we need to, something that will take us forward. These are things I don't like. Do I tell you I don't have Yoruba friends? But there is a limit to all those relationships. Why can't Yoruba, why can't Showere rights let them open seaport? Come to Port Harcourt as I'm talking to you. Almost 1 week now, they are sharing Igbo people contain Hausa seas in River State. Showore is aware. Why are they not writing about it? Is it Showore now that will give us Biafra? Let's communicate with Showore. No, we will communicate with Obasanjo. He's a founding father now. But we are making mistake. I'm very surprised you are not seeing it. I'm very surprised you people cannot see it. I will not talk to you this morning. But I've taken record of your comment. And one of these days, I will respond to you. David said to God, should I not hate those that hate you? Yea, Lord, with cruel hatred have I hated them. Hausa Yoruba have lived it out. Osibanjo charged Nigerian youth to ensure ethnic diversity and narratives. Osibanjo shunned them. Osibanjo lied to Ogoni that he was flagging up the cleanup. And they are telling you today, Osibanjo is telling you today that Nigerians don't have money for Ogoni cleanup. I think he's in a better place to negotiate for dismemberment of Nigeria. For the last time, we didn't say our leader does not know what he's doing. We are telling our people, when you present our leader with any saboteur in the nearest future, demean them. Demean them. Go to Iruanya Radio. No, go and listen to Iruanya Radio in Minnesota. Be yapping everywhere. I will stop from here. And may God be with all of us. The people who have sense, may they have more sense. And before then, do not forget to give your land to them for Ruga. I love Hausa, so please give them land. They need Ruga. Give them land for Ruga.
I wanna talk about a man who loves Biafra. I wanna talk about a man who is a hero. I wanna talk about a man who has Biafra at heart. Nnamdi Kanu, oh. Nnamdi Kanu, I can see you, you are a godsend. Nnamdi Kanu, you are a hero to our world. You made a footstep, you are a great man. You did a great work, you made a full speech, you are a great man. keep on. Nnamdi Kanu, you are the one. You read history like a man. Nnamdi Kanu, you are the one. You broke history like a man. Nnamdi Kanu, you are the one we are talking about. You are the hero of our land. You made us to understand the history of the world. You made us to understand. You are leader. I want to know you. You are a strong man. I want to know you. You are a strong man. One man sport over all. One man sport all over the world. Yeah, from man, the lion who is in the Zion. Nnamdi Kanu, you are the one. When I hear your voice, it makes me stronger. Yeah. When I hear your voice, I see the enemies trembling. Yeah. When I hear your voice, I see the Biafran stronger. The people in the Zion, everybody raise your hands for the hero. Hey, Nnamdi Kanu, you are a God sends to allow. You set the trap, the two for you set the trap, you had emotion, you rise your voice, yeah, you say it so strong. When you speak out loud, the outside is confused, the Yoruba man is confused, the soul is in confusion. You are true Biafran from. When I look at you, I see the maple you. I see the spirit of death in you. Move on, move on, move on. We are right beside you. We are in your left and your right and your back and your front. We are with you, our brother. Cause you make us stronger. Have you seen a Biafra? Seen a Biafra man. The true son of Biafra. He is a true hero. Speaking to the nations, America stood up, Europe stood up, Asia stood up, Africa, they are standing. Everybody is standing for one man. A man of true passion. There is no more going back. We are here to stay. No more challenge, no more debate with facts and figures. They are destroyed. I can see the Hausa man cannot stand again. I can see the Yoruba man, he cannot.